Alright guys, I just came from San Jose, California, San Francisco. We got John Hilario right here.
Hey, shout out.
Hey, what's up? Shout out. Ano ka na? Politiko ka na, di ba?
Tapos na po.
Tapos na? Saan ka galing? Japan? San Francisco? LA?
Canada.
Canada? Okay, God bless. Idol yan. Alright guys, see? John Hilario. Nakasabay natin. Pupunta siyang Canada o dumating siya? Dumating po siya? Okay. Galing daw siyang Canada. Batang ano yan? 90s, 80s. Tapos na pala siya sa politika. Pero ano yan? Idol yan. Saang TV yata yun eh. Tama, Saang TV. Alright guys, God bless. Love you guys, peace. John R. De La Cruz. The Filipino Steph Curry / Filipino Draymond Green / Filipino Santa Claus is back in the Philippines. Bembangan na. Joke lang. God bless. Love you guys, peace. October 21, 2025. It's a Tuesday. 5:30 a.m. Manila time. Dumating kami na mas maaga eh. 4:31 PR 105. After almost 5 years, tinanggap ulit ako ng PAL. Yan lang tayo eh. I used my Mabuhay miles, bought 14,000 miles, so total 32,000 miles. Plus I paid taxes and processing fee. I paid $650. Good deal. Yep. Love you guys. Peace. I'm just happy to be back in my hometown, my homeland, Pilipinas. God bless.